Pepper. Yeah, you. What are you doing? Why'd you make a mess of that cracker? Pepper. Where'd you go? Pepper, I'm talking to you. I am talking to you. Pepper. What? Pepper, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. No? Okay, he's talking to me too. Pepper. Pepper. I gotta learn how to work this Zoom. Pepper. What are you yelling at me for? I didn't do anything. Oh, here comes the finger. Ooh, he does not like that. He does not like that one bit. Okay. Are you finished with your cracker? You are? Do you think you made enough of a mess? You did? Okay. Oh no, you didn't make enough of a mess. Okay. Make up your mind. Pepper. Pepper. Hi. What you doing? Oh, you're such a pretty bird. You're a beautiful little bird. Yes, you are. You're beautiful. Hi. What you doing? Your nose is very red. You've been sniffing crack again? What you doing? Why are you sitting on my chest? I'm trying to crochet. You don't like my crocheting. Okay. He didn't like my crocheting. He's a very persnickety little bird. He has to be rubbed a certain way or he's not happy. Yes. Oh, isn't that so? Isn't that so? Look, that little nose is so red. Oh my God, that little nose is so red. He says, what's that? What is that thing? But I'm still getting my head rubbed. Okay, I'll just stick with this.
Told you, he does not care, so long as he's getting his head rubbed.
Yep. He's happy getting his little head rubbed. You give me bit, I'm going to be mad at you.
I touched him.
I don't think he knows.
Mm-hmm.
But this is Pepper enjoying a head rub. Okay, he just realized he's on camera.
Hi.
You're a doll. I love you. Uh-oh. Okay, that's enough. Where were you hiding? Why were you under the desk? Okay. I guess he doesn't want to be videoed. Back again, huh? I'm not going to leave you alone. You're pretty. I want to take your picture. Yeah, he touched your beak. And you let him? You didn't bite him? Wow. Bye. You can't have this. What? This is what happens when you try to eat a meat around here. Hi, Pepper.
Keep going, buddy.
Ah. Now do you see what I go through, guys? Just to eat a meal around here. Pepper, come here.
You can touch my
Pepper.
arm, it'll be fine.
Pepper. Look at that little pea beak. Look at that little pea beak. Look at that little pea beak. Look at that. Are you enjoying your pea? Are you enjoying your pea? Yes, you like that. You're not so wild about carrots, but the pea you really like. Okay, he's done.